Potato. This is radish. This is not spicy. That's one of my favorites.
Good.
This is seaweed, very healthy for you. Ah, this is bulgogi. Yes, popchum. Ah, he does. Thank you. Oh, okay. And these are the dumplings.
Fried dumplings.
I'll take it. Let's move these things around here. It's good? Tell me it's good in Polish. Okay, so, and then, yeah, some of those.
Okay.
And then some steak. Just grab a piece and put it right in there.
Okay.
Go ahead. Good for you. And Martinez going in on that one. Look at that. First time, huh? What do you think so far? What do you think of this Korean food?
Well, I love the dumplings. I love the steak. No, everything is delicious. I'm not too crazy about those little...
The little fish here.
The little fish. I don't know how you call
Seaweed.
this one.
Seaweed.
The cup.
But you like the mandu and you like the bulgogi.
Yeah, that's fine.
Here's my lunch at Somo Nanjib here in Palisades Park, and Marta is having Korean food for the first time, and she likes it. Little spearings and peppers, but I'm going to eat them.
Yeah.
And these potatoes, I don't know how they made them, but they're good.